bench behind you, you're not going to get full range of motion, but you should get enough to be able to build off of. So what you're going to do is you're going to place the bar on your back. You want to hold it nice and tight, and you're going to tap the bench lightly and come up. Tap lightly. So whether, like I said, you're just using the squat rack, no weight, or putting on a weight that's 10 pounds, 20 pounds heavier than what you're normally used to. Okay? Let's do it. I lost my rubber band. Perfect timing. Because it's time to take the hair down. Okay. How does it look? Fabulous! I don't know how it looks. It's too bright. But I hope it looks fabulous. Or else I feel stupid.